You know what the world needs more of? Cold starts. I've got to get my trailer out of the back, and to do that I've got to move a bunch of vehicles around, so let's just do a cold start on just about every vehicle I own. We're going to start with the 99 Ram, 307,000 miles on that, and it's actually for sale. I might actually already have it sold. And up next is a truck that I have named Wallace the 66. It's got a cool story. Check the link down below for the playlist for this guy. Farm Find 352 FE. Not sure how many miles are on it, but it's been parked for about 33 years. I finally got it registered, insured, licensed, on the road, complete new brakes, all the things. So, Wallace the 66. No air conditioning. How awesome was that? Still makes me smile. Alright, and up next, introducing my new truck, 2016 Ram Rebel cold start. I've owned this truck for about a week, and we're taking our camper up the mountains for a youth camp to use. So here goes a cold start, 2016 Ram Rebel. And finally, as a bonus, this is Midnight Maroon. It's a 1979 dent side Ford, two-wheel drive. It does have the long bed on it, but we actually like that. I like that look. And this truck's been in the family from day one, been passed down generation to generation. It's now owned by my son. Leave a link down below to the playlist for that. It's been parked for a very long time as well. The engine still has not been broken in yet, so I'm not going to start it right now, but I'll throw in some footage from when we did do the first start of this 351M for the first time that it was tuned and ready to go. I went straight into a portion of the break-in period because I just barely got it going and revving. So, but anyway, this is Troy, DIY Home and Auto. Checking out. See you guys in the next video, assuming you subscribe, click like, share this video, do all those things. That helps my channel grow. I really do appreciate the support. If it's your first time here, welcome, and we'll see you soon. A little bit down the yap, and let's make some noise.